ProSource is a unique business model for us. There's an opportunity for members to bring their clients in. We sell everything from flooring to kitchen and bath.
By far, ProSource is the top echelon of the floor covering business.
I believe that we truly are the leader. Nobody really has been able to capitalize on what we do.
To me, ProSource was just a perfect fit for me.
To become a ProSource owner was something that I had envisioned for many years. I just got the opportunity to do it.
As soon as we heard that there was a territory available in our market, we pursued that as quickly as we could because we knew that there would be a lot of other people interested in purchasing that franchise.
We've been at ProSource since 2013.
ProSource does have a great blueprint on exactly how to not just open, but how to operate going forward in all aspects.
They don't just give you a name and a concept and a look. They give you more. They give you a future.
The support from ProSource National is second to none. The people that they have, the resources they give us are incredible.
The model is very unique. They told us what we needed to do. We did everything by the book with what they asked us to do, and they supported us the whole way.
As an investment, ProSource gives you tremendous opportunity. You can grow the franchise to whatever level you want. You can expand into other markets. You have a lot of support. And so if you're interested in growing the business that you start, it's fairly unlimited with ProSource.
This is certainly not too good to be true. This is a simple model to operate. I operate a $3.7 million business with 6 employees. If you have the right 6 people, that's all you need. And the training support is there when you have to bring on somebody new.
They will always be upfront. They will always be on the cutting edge of this industry, and that's been a huge help for us.
We are very excited about our first ProSource, more excited about the second one, and we definitely would be interested in purchasing more ProSource locations in the future.
Very good organization. I would tell you, anybody that looks at a franchise, this franchise gives you all the support that you need.
The advice I would give would be take a chance. It's a great franchise to be part of.
I will never go back and do anything else ever again. This was the best decision I could ever make.